How do I make money on Claude? I want to tell you how I make money on Claude. So I'll tell you about one of the businesses. So what I do is I create websites. I've created websites for 26 years now. And then because Claude has come along, I've been able to create websites really, really fast. You still really need to understand how to create a website. You need to understand more than just creating content. You need to understand how websites work. As in, once you do create something, there's a lot of things that you need to do, search engine, like search console, Google search console, lots of things. Okay, there's things that you need to understand that you can create a website with Claude, but Claude doesn't do things that you don't ask a lot of the time. It might add words in and random stuff that you have to fix. It might add in some mangled letters and stuff as well. You need to understand how to fix Claude when Claude messes up, and you need to understand how to deliver Claude the right information to create the right information for you. Once you learn that, you'll be able to create websites fairly quickly, as like weeks as opposed to months. I've created some websites that seriously would have taken 18 months, not so long ago, for teams to create it, and I've created them within weeks. Like 20-hour days kind of thing, but within weeks still anyway. So the way that I make money on Claude is I create websites that either generate a passive income for me, or they generate a passive income, or they sell a product for me, but I usually make the product. So when it comes to the product, I'm an artist, and so I can create artwork for interior designers and a massive amount of artwork in a short amount of time, like 28 large pieces over a short amount of time, which could be $100,000 for that contract kind of thing. Okay. So by having the website and have it AEO optimized, that is how I am able to use Claude to make money, because I use Claude to make websites, and I use Claude to be able to help me with the content creation. I created something called contentfactoryai.org. Okay. That first came about because I needed something to help me, because I started creating so many businesses at once. I needed something to create the content easier. And so there's already things out there. So there's like CapCut, there's OpusClip if you want to use that kind of thing. That does images. There's Klingo that you can create animations with. I wanted ideas. So I created contentfactoryai.org, and when you look at it, there's several things on there. Okay, so let's talk about this business, which is contentfactoryai.org, which is solely created on Claude. What I had was an idea. I needed to come up with simple ways to think about content, and so using all those other platforms I already use CapCut. I don't really like OpusClip. It makes up random. I'd rather do shorts that are specific instead of shorts that are cut up. I'd rather do a little bit of specific information. You've got a short amount of time, with a short, so I don't really like OpusClip. But I do love CapCut. That's really good. You can use CapCut templates as well, which can save a lot of time. Anyway, I created contentfactoryai.org, which was the generator first, okay? And so that came about, and I thought, and I never even knew what SaaS website was, okay? I didn't understand what that was. I didn't even know what Claude would be able to create for me. I just woke up one morning and discovered Claude, right? And so, but because I know what I want, because I know what I want a website to look like, because I know what I want it to do, I'm able to direct Claude basically, and then Claude says do this, do that, and then together we sort of create those websites. Content generator was first, and basically I created something where you can put in information that's specific to you. So let's say creating art for interior designers. It has all these prompts that I create things for, and then it'll generate text to give me ideas, whether it be a text for a long form content, and so it gives me ideas on that. And so what it's doing is grabbing something that is specific to what you're creating videos for. So when it comes to each of my businesses, they're different, and I could have spent 6 hours a day getting nowhere trying to think of content, and then trying to create content with it. When it gives the idea for you already, that's one thing done. And then if you already know the layouts that you're going to do to create your content, it makes it easier as well. So if you decide, all right, I'm going to do like a bubble head, and you like choose 3 different formats kind of thing to create your shorts in 3 different formats, or one to create your long form. So for me, I do the talking ones like this, so you can see a human. And there's ones that I do like just a black screen with the captions on it, right? I use CapCut for that. That's the times that I can't be bothered showing myself, all right? They're the times where I'm working, like I run a cleaning business, so I go work physically in that because I love it. I love helping people. And so when I have an idea, I might do an audio of it. You know, sometimes I will create a script and I'll do an audio like that, where these are like ad lib. These are just on the spot kind of videos. I've just finished a job, sweating, and I've pulled up because I have an idea and I want to create this video. Okay. So that's how I create money with Claude. I sit there and I create websites, and because this is my mind, and if you've got one of these minds, then Claude might be good for you, because you're able to actually put all these things that are in your head into a form and put it out there for the world, you know. So I create money on Claude by creating websites. The content generator one, it went from the first content generator, you'll see, it does 12 different kind of things, you know, you can do 12 different things in it. The next one came the add-ons for that, and then the next one came how it shows you how you might be able to go viral in a video. I don't care about going viral. I use mine for educational purposes as well as marketing. I don't care about going viral. That's not my mission. But it will sort of tell you, the generator pulls from the algorithms at this particular moment in time. So it pulls from TikTok and it pulls from Instagram, what the algorithm is doing at this particular moment in time. So it might say, do this in the first 2 seconds, do this, do this, do this, do this. And it gives you a rating of the possibility of it going viral. Just because you do that, though, doesn't mean that you're going to get that. There's so many other factors that are involved, but it is pulling straight from the algorithms and saying, hey, this is how you might go viral by doing these particular things about this particular thing, right? Tells you the hashtags to do, tells you what to do at what particular moment in time. First second do this, second do this kind of thing, right? And so you would pay like for each level to get to that third level kind of thing, to get all these things. And then I do a marketing for you, and we build your websites. And so there's a couple of different services. So when it comes to me building your websites, I'm physically doing that, okay? And me doing the marketing, I'm physically doing that as well. And so there's basically the products that you can use in the generator, and then there's the physical that we're creating for you as well. So that's one website, which is contentfactoryai.org, that I have that I've created on Claude that makes me money, okay? That's one website. And so that's what I just wanted to tell you about, was contentfactoryai.org. The point of my channel now is, so I had a channel for years. It was all about the law of attraction. It was all about healing my mental health, okay? And then I stopped doing that for years. And then I just sort of let my channel sit there. And now as evolution changes as well, I've turned everything to be about the businesses and creating money on Claude and contentfactoryai.org. I work the cleaning, okay, and so I physically do a couple of hours cleaning a day. I do vacate cleans on the weekends. I love it, okay, and so because the creation of the websites is such a sedentary job, is that how you say it? I could sit there for like 20 hours creating, and so going out there and doing the cleaning is really like my gym, okay, and I get paid for it at the same time. I have a customer, and she's got a couple of young kids. I think the youngest is like 11, and she's like, I don't know what's going to happen with AI, because we don't know what's going to happen with AI or what the possibilities are, okay? And she's like, I don't know what my kids are going to do when they're older. Is there going to be any jobs? And I said, well, if there's no jobs, like the government won't allow that to happen. How can they control the masses? The reason why we go to work every day is because people just aren't out in the street all the time. There is a little bit control of things, right? And so you can't just let us run wild. If you have AI and nobody has jobs, how do things work? How are we able to pay for bills? You know, so the reality of it is, if it comes like that, then, well, it is Terminator, isn't it? But the world's going to end, okay? Because we can't not, that's a double negative, but we have to work. We have to pay for everything. That's the way the world works. If AI takes over everything, then that structure breaks down. Then we all get to live a peaceful life, don't we? At the end of the day, if we can't make money and we can't pay our bills, they can't charge us for our bills because everyone's homeless. Nobody lives in houses. Nobody pays for this everything to work, which is the way it works. So I really feel that this is where the future is kids like that. So the 11-year-olds, the 4-year-olds, what has happened in such a small amount of time with having AI, with having technology, like what I had. So when I was like 10, 11, that's kind of when computers started coming out. So I was born in 78, And so the difference between now and what it was in 70, so it would have been like 84 kind of thing, and now it's 2026. So the difference in that 40 odd years is absolutely huge, and it's been even more in such a small amount of time right now. So I'm telling you these things and how to make money on Claude and how I make money on Claude, because it's the reality of it. It's not just me going and looking at somebody else's channel and repeating the 5 steps of bullshit, How you make money is by you find something that is going to happen in the future, that is going to continue to go in the future. If you can make money on whatever you're making money on right now, then make money on it right now, because you really need to get onto the AI stuff, because that's where the future is going. That box has been opened. It's not going to close. It's like computers, once they started, look how much it's grown, okay? It's not going to stop. And so that's where you're going to make money at this particular moment in time. So robots probably are going to take over, right? I see a lot of things in China. Are they real? I don't know. I'm not in China, okay? Could be AI for all I know, as in the videos. But you really need to make money in the future, whether it be in 6 months, whether it be in a year's time, is get onto and learn skills like this. So learn how to create on Claude, okay? For me, I have a lot of services, and so I have other businesses that I've created on Claude as well that are service-based businesses. So my platform, people sign up to it, and they become basically a marketplace or the agency for people that are subcontracted to work, okay? And so I've created websites that people plug into, basically, as in this is my information, and we provide them with a business, because there's services that we work in, and we provide them with somebody books through us, and they work for us, kind of thing. What the platform, they work for themselves, and the platforms are basically the marketplaces, really, is all I can say, is what they are, And so they're beautiful, they're dressed up, they're luxury kind of services, maybe, depending on what website it is. But at this particular moment in time, that's how I'm building a empire using Claude, basically, So anyway, contentfactoryai.org. So go have a look at it and see an example of what I've done. So I've seen a lot of these SaaS websites too, and they do one thing. And so my generator already does 12. That very first step is 12 things that it does. So I see ones that say like, put your URL here and we can create images for you, or we can create your marketing things. And so it does one thing. The very first thing that I did created 12 things, and then the next one that's an add-on is 9, another 9, and then there's the other add-on, which is to see if your content goes viral, to hopefully make a piece that goes viral. So that is me. That is contentfactoryai.org. Look, maybe what's going to happen in time is I might create little courses. I definitely already have blueprints, as in like for the artists. So I created an art empire, okay? Why? Because I'm an artist. You'll see if you follow me why I'm creating things and why I'm telling you about it as well, because it really inspires people. It's not easy, okay? If I didn't understand it, I wouldn't be looking at it. And so if you want to learn how to make money from using code, then definitely follow me along, the ride. My channel is going to be about everything. You'll see videos about cleaning, you'll see all these things, because they're the businesses combined, so my channel is about making money on Claude in real life and with real life experiences of the businesses that I create. So follow along. Say hi. It's about building a community as well and helping each other. I really feel, no gatekeeping of things. And so basically follow along, because I'm going to teach you how you can make money on Claude.